Hi, we're going to make large paper stars. What you need are 7 or 8 brown paper lunch bags, scissors, and glue. I'm going to use hot glue for this, which you could also use if you like. It dries faster, but you can also use regular glue or glue stick if you need to. The drying time is just longer. All right, so let's get started. We're going to start with 1 paper bag, okay? So I'm going to take the side that sort of opens, that flap that you would use for puppets. I'm going to put that down on the table and have it flat in front of me. Okay, then I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to make a T shape of glue down the whole thing and glue it together. All right, and we're going to continue that same motion with the glue until we have all of our paper bags together. If you're using glue stick, add more glue. A T shape will not be enough. You can spread it all over your bag so you get really good adherence. All right, so I'm just going to keep going with my hot glue. Get my glue stick in there. All right. So it will take longer for regular glue and a glue stick to sort of dry and stick really well. That's okay. Once you're done sticking everything together, you can put a book on it and something heavy and let it sit and let it dry. It could take 10 minutes. It could take an hour, however long it takes for it to dry. But you want it to be really nice and dry so that the next part is way easier and nothing is slipping around. All right. Just have a couple more of my bags to do. All right. Last one for me. If you need to pause this video to catch up, please do. Everybody works at a different pace, and that's totally fine. All right. So I have all 7 bags stuck together, ready for me to cut. Because the next part is scissors. So we are going to work with the part that opens. So this top part here, this is where we are going to cut out some shapes. So we're going to start with triangles. I'm going to cut out a triangle shape up to the center of the top of the bag. So cut off the corner, makes a triangle. All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing in the other direction so that my star makes a point at the end. Okay. All right, there we go. We've got a nice point on our bag. It's okay if they're not even. As long as you've got your point, it'll look like a star. Okay, now we're going to make some shapes. I'm going to make a triangle on one side and half a circle on the other side. It's up to you what shape you want to use. So here is my shape of my little triangle cut out, like that. And then on the other side, I'm going to make a little half a circle. All right, so that is all that needs to be done. 2 shapes on the side, whichever shape you like, a point at the top, and it's ready to open up and see what it looks like. So we are going to join up our ends. And look, you can see that's the side of the triangles. This is the side with the circles. Last thing to do is to put some more glue and glue the sides together. If you're using white glue or glue stick, also still just fine. You'll probably want like a paper clip or a clothespin to hold it together while it dries. And then we just join it up, mush it together. You could also use staples if for this part, if you don't have anything to hold your glue together. And that's it, your large paper star. If you have any string around, you can grab that, pull it through your shapes, make a loose knot at the top. And it's ready to hang. Have fun making paper stars.